What up? It's your girl, Clear Earth here, back with another video. But today, I'm back with another video as far as with cooking. And for our drink, we're going to have some tea on the side too. But today, I'm cooking some crab cakes and some potatoes with mixed vegetables. That's going to have your yellow peppers, green peppers, and orange peppers. And I put a little bit of scallion, onions in there, and garlic with a little bit of seasoning. And this is just how it looks so far. We're gonna put this in the oven for 400. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I normally put we're gonna also have our greens, which is gonna be today asparagus. And I decided to put them on the oven today. Not put them in the oven, I'm sorry. Put them on the stove and just saute them. And I put a little bit of red onions and garlic with a beef cube in there. We're going to see how that's going to taste. But here go my crab cakes. I went to the deli and got them today. So I'm going to fry them. I turn my eye down because I don't want them to cook too fast. Okay. And I'm going to cover them up and let them cook for about 10 minutes on each side. Like I said, I don't want to cook them too fast. And I have like 3 left, so I'm covering them back up. So I got all my stuff, and then also we're going to fry some oysters, mushrooms. These are really, really good, and it can be replaced for chicken. So I like the texture of the oyster mushroom. They taste really good, and the texture is really good. Like, it reminds me of chicken. So I've been, dipping and dabbing, stepping out my comfort zone and eating more vegetables and incorporating more into my, to my everyday eating. Like, taking less processed food, removing more processed food, and basically bringing in more natural food. So, yeah. Alright, we're going to come back and show you the finished product. And thank you for watching my video. Peace and love.